In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Get a Quote section to your Wix website. This is a straightforward and effective way to enhance your site, allowing potential customers to easily inquire about your services. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll need to open your website in the Wix editor or Wix Studio. This is where all your site building magic happens. Once you're inside the editor, navigate to the specific page where you want to add the Get a Quote section. Alternatively, if you're starting from scratch, you can add a new section to your site that's just right for this function. Next, look over to the left side of your screen and click on the plus add button. Follow this by selecting Contact and Forms, then Forms. This is where Wix provides a variety of form designs for you to choose from. You have options like a basic contact form, a custom form, or even a blank form if you prefer to start with a clean slate. Pick a design that suits the style of your site, and once you've made your choice, simply drag the form into your designated section. Now, it's time to customize your form to fit the Get a Quote theme. A great starting point is to change the title of your form to Get a Quote so visitors understand its purpose instantly. Next, consider the information you need from your customers. You might want to adjust existing fields or add new ones to capture all necessary details. Once your form looks just the way you want it, the next step is crucial: configuring your submission settings. Head to Form Settings and then Submission Settings. Here, you'll set up where responses will be sent by inputting your recipient email address or addresses. This ensures that every inquiry is directed to the right place. Also, if you desire, you have the option to enable Send a Confirmation Email, providing immediate feedback to anyone who submits a form. Additionally, connecting your form with Wix CRM or automations can be a game changer. This integration allows you to streamline responses by, for instance, sending an auto reply to inquiries, letting clients know you've received their request and will respond shortly. Common automations include follow-up emails or synchronization with other CRM tools to keep track of interactions easily. And there you have it, a neatly added Get a Quote section on your Wix site, ready to receive inquiries from potential clients. This feature doesn't only make your website more interactive, but also enhances your customer service capabilities. Keep watching for more tips on how to optimize your website and make the most of Wix's robust platform to meet your business needs. Thanks for tuning in.